everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1956 Chevrolet 210 Wagon. Really cool car, guys. Buddy of mine, David, out of Tennessee, is the one who found this car for me. He bought it out of an older man's collection. I guess he had quite a few cars. But David said the cool thing about this car is this is the one that he actually drove. This was his, as we say, go get, throw the grandkids in and go get the ice cream in. Super cool car, Tennessee car, good solid straight body, beautiful torch red paint. I really like the interior. If you kind of peek in there at it, it's a two-tone taupe and tan. Like I say, good car, 210 trim level, runs and drives good. It's got small block 350 350 engine with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive. It's got air. A lot of cool little things he did. The disc brakes on the front. Cool car. It's got brand new rubber all the way around it. It is got 18 and 20 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s. Power steering, power disc brakes, air. Really cool car. Older restoration. The car's been done for about 15 years. Only got 8,800 miles on it since it was done. But very, very cool car. They put, I saw, you know, it's underneath it. I'll tell you one thing, on these old Tri-5s, the frame mounts are usually what you look at. And they were clean on this car. They did put new floorboards in it. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's some stone pecks in the trim and stuff, or I'm sorry, stone pecks in the paint. Things you can kind of nitpick like that, but pretty doggone nice car. I love this. This is the optional chrome. Ed said when you got the rocker moldings, you also got the birds on the. Sorry guys, that's just a little wax. If you see that, that'll come off. There it goes. When you ordered the rocker molded chrome, you also got the birds on the fenders. A really good car. Like I say, runs and drives excellent. The air blows cold. He converted it to electric wipers. Like you say, with the overdrive trans, the air, the disc brakes, you can tell this was a car that he actually did to drive. And it does hit the road good. It's got tinted glass. Again, there's little things as we walk around it, you can pick it. It's something to drive. It's not a, you know, go to Detroit Autorama and try to win the Autorama kind of car. But if you're looking for something fun to drive, you don't have to break the bank. I think you're gonna like this car. And I like wagons, always have. Little ding in the chrome. Again, I'm not trying to just pick the car apart, guys. 90% of these cars, we never meet the people who buy them. These are pretty darn nice, they're a little dusty. So I try to show you exactly everything about the car. Stuff that I like, I don't like. It's got the fold down rear seat there in the back. So if you're a golfer or anything, you can, it's got the chrome tips. This is nice and clean in there, guys, I will tell you that. Where a lot of times when I look at these cars, like the spare well on this car is nice. A lot of times they're rotted right out. But good looking car. Car's got a good look. Again, you can see a little scratch. I mean, you can nitpick if you want to. But again, good car. Really good car. I like it. Torch red, slick paint. Again, it does have front disc brakes. Small block 350, 700 R4 overdrive trans, Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds, power steering. You can see it's got a CPP steering box on it. power front disc brakes, aluminum radiator with electric fan, vintage AC. Again, converted it to electric wipers. That's what Ed's talking about, that optional rocker chrome. He said you got the birds when you ordered it. I thought those were cool. I can't say I've seen much of them. I've ordered the cowl seal here too. It's missing the cowl seal. I've ordered it. We got cars right down the road for us. They had it in stock with the clip, so it's on the way. Not my favorite antenna, but he's got an aftermarket radio and retro sounds radio in it. New chrome, new door handles. Doors are nice and clean. I like this. This two-tone I thought was classy. It's got LED red lighting, new sill plates, all brand new carpet. Again, bench seat, comfortable, nice. It's got the polished Ididit column, tilt column with a Grant steering wheel. 8833 on your odometer. The gauges all work, and then he's got some aftermarket gauges. We call those fail-safe gauges, just in case one goes out, you got the other. Retro sounds radio. It's got all easy wiring harness in it. Again, all the doors are clean. Again, this is a fold-down rear seat. This, the bottom half folds forward, then this folds down, which is cool. Headliner's nice. Let me get in there and show you that whole dash. I don't know if I did that or not. I might have been getting ahead of myself. Can't remember if I did that. And it's got the vintage switches as well. Air does work. Air blows cold. Dynomax dual exhaust. Factory rear. No big gear. It's definitely something to cruise. Again, in here, this is clean in here. A lot of times when I look at those cars, they're rotted right out there. There is a spare in here. Some paperwork. He gave us all that stuff on the radio, and I don't know where my help went here. I don't know if I can't do this one-handed, so, and I don't know where these guys have gone. Good help's hard to come by, guys. Yeah. Here he comes. You gotta just push up, push that lever on that side. Yep. Click it back. Yep. Should go up both sides. Click it back. Shut it, and you shut that one. There you go. Car's clean underneath. Like I said, they put new floorboards in it. Did a good job with that. And like I say, the frame connectors, not frame connectors, the body mounts are really clean. Cool car, man. Looks like it's got a plug in for your phone and USB and everything like that. Yeah, these are all brand new. They've replaced all of those. Again, real good car. Air does work, blows cold. They just kicked it on. Oh. Ah. Sorry, guys. Got one side down and not the other. I like this chrome, man. I thought that was cool. Again, all LED red lighting. This is your switch for your electric fan. Gauges work. Gauges work down there. Car holds good oil pressure. I love the taillights in 56. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Electric wipers, that's really nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.